Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn off Find My on iPhone. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is click on settings, and then from here click here on our name, and then click here on Find My. Right now we click here on Find My iPhone is on, but right now if we want to turn off or Find My, it's not possible. You can only turn off your location, so let's turn off Send Last Location, turn off Find My Network, and then click on disable. And then right now if you go back and turn off share my location, we just turned off everything. But you need to know that if you click again on Find My iPhone has to be turned on, because if someone stole your phone, they need to know where your phone is. So that's a security from iPhone, and it's not possible from now to turn it off, just in case if someone will steal your phone. So that's exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.